Hey guys, just wanted to show you this machine I'm working on here. It's a Ventrac 4500P. This is the Kawasaki 2-cylinder gas model, and this one got caught the other day around a tree. These things tend to slide down hills, and because they articulate in the center, you'll get stuck around things. And they pulled it out with the backhoe. I wasn't here, so I wasn't able to make sure they were gentle, and they ended up catching the front left tire set on the post, and this is what's happened. I don't know if you can see that, but the bearing down inside the housing there, the front axle housing, is done. And I've never disassembled one of these machines before, but I found a pair of bolts there holding the axle in, 3 bolts down below holding the axle in, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holding it to the rest of the transmission case. I can't get the last ones up top out. You can see it's in there. So what I'm going to try to do is loosen the axle over on this side the same way with the 2 top bolts there and there, and see if I can just drop the whole axle out of the machine a couple of inches, enough to get at those top bolts, and I should be able to pull that axle shaft housing out and take it apart on the bench. So I'm going to carry on with this. I'll start up another video as soon as I get this baby loose. Thanks for watching.